Korea, long before cities gleamed with lights and subways hummed on the ground, life was revolved around the kitchen hearth. Every home had a jangdokde, a cluster of large clay jars sitting quietly in the courtyard, filled with treasures like doejang, gangjang, and gochujang. These jars were more than storage, they were symbols of care and patience. Among them was gochujang, the fiery one, a paste made from red chili peppers, fermented soybeans, glutinous rice and salt. It was first created in the late 16th century after chili peppers were introduced to Korea from the Americas. Over time, Koreans discovered that fermenting the chili paste gave it depth, richness, and a slow building heat that comforted the soul. During long winters, when vegetables were scarce and the air beat cold against the skin, Korean families turned to their jang for flavors and strength. Mothers would scoop a generous spoon of gochujang into a pot of boiling water, adding tofu, onions, mushroom, and bits of pork or beef. That was how Gochujang Jjigae was born. It wasn't a royal dish served in palaces, it was a dish for the people. Each bowl told a story of simplicity and resilience. It was proof that with love and creativity, even the humblest ingredients could create comfort. But beyond taste, it's good for the body too. The fermented paste is rich in probiotics, supporting digestion and immunity. The fresh vegetables and protein make it a balanced, nourishing meal. It's no wonder Koreans say a hot bowl of jjigae can chase away both hunger and sadness. To eat gochujang jjigae today is to taste history itself. It's a dish that awakens the senses with its blood layer flavor, sweet, spicy, savory, and deep all at once. There's a Korean saying, "Babi poyagida," meaning food is medicine. And truly, Gochujang Jjigae is that kind of medicine that warms the body and heals the heart.